how to load a WordPress site in basically 5 minutes. You're just going to go to aws.amazon.com/console. So it's called AWS. If you search it, you will get here. It's Amazon Web Services. You're going to click create an account. Once you create an account, it's going to ask you to verify your email address. It's going to ask you for a card information. Just basically once you fill everything out, you're going to get to the sign-in portal. When you sign in, you're going to get to your main dashboard. Your main dashboard will actually look like this. So once you create your account and you log in, you won't have any recently visited. It's going to be this dashboard and just have some blank information here. If you go up to the search bar, you're going to want to type in Lightsail. When you click Lightsail, it's going to bring you into their quick instances. Once you get into quick instances, you're not going to have anything here. Currently, we have a test website there in London, but once you get here, you're going to click create instance. You can choose the region that you want to click on. You're going to go down and you're going to just select WordPress. You are going to click enable automatic snapshots. This is a backup of your site every 24 hours, and you can start for $5. Okay, so it's $5. You can create your first WordPress site, $5 per month. So as you go down, you're going to name it, and let's say test WordPress. So our options are Spirit. And then we're going to create the instance. So once that's created, you have this test WordPress. You can click on the word and it'll bring you into the actual environment. Now what happens is up here in the right, you're going to see it says starting. And you're just going to wait a few, maybe a minute for this to actually show that it's started. And it'll give you the option to stop it. Once you do that part, then we'll be able to connect and get the password for this. So your WordPress web address is going to be right here. It's your IP address. This is basically the URL to the site. When you click it, here's your WordPress. So you already have a WordPress loaded right now, just that quick, and under a couple minutes. Once you do that, you're going to want to click this orange button that says connect using SSH, and it's going to bring up a little pop-up. Inside of this pop-up, you're going to type the word cat space bitnami underscore application underscore password. Now, once you type in this cat bitnami underscore application underscore password, you're going to hit enter. When you hit enter, it's going to give you the password to your live site that you just created. You're going to right click on that and copy it. You can close that out, and now you can go back to this site. Any WordPress site is going to be /wp-admin. That's going to bring you to the login screen. And if you look on this page here, again, here's your IP address for the website, and here's your username. And this username is user. So we're just going to use user. We're going to paste the password in that we just got from that command prompt. You can save it if you'd like. Then you're going to go down to appearance, and you'll see that there is some default themes here. And if you add a theme, you have two options. You can upload a theme you've purchased somewhere, or you can just click one of their instant themes. These instant themes are somewhat limited. They're not the greatest. They may have gotten better over the years, but it gives you a starting point. We use premium themes. We recommend for you if you're starting out. They're fully completed and demo contented fully, very specific. You can search in theme forest to get them, and you can upload them. But if you click install, on these anyway, these WordPress community themes, if you hit activate, it'll have you do some installation things, have you activate, And then once you're there, let's see, you can click and you can look at the demos that they give you for like this theme. So this is the demos you can pick from. You could pick one of these demos. If you want to use Elementor, you're going to hit install for the recommended plugins. If you're going to use it WooCommerce, which is basically you to have a store that you can buy or you can sell from, then you'll also install that. But for this one, we're not gonna. And then it's going to give you some things that the demo comes with to install, so it looks just like the one you picked. You're going to give that a little bit of time. Bro, that sounded like he was in life, like in the right, like right next to the guy. And then there you go. It says demo imported. You can go to see the result, and it's going to bring you to your blog. Well, you'll have to rename that, but it brings you to your website. And look at that. You now have a website. So there is your website. And now all you have to do is just go ahead and edit each page as you see fit. Change the menu how you want. And, you know, it comes with basic information. Kind of gives you a little preview of kind of the site you can have, and there's a couple different home pages, different stuff like that, footer. But you know, there's a website for you in under a few minutes, just by basically going to AWS, setting up an account, and there you go. And you'll do some changes to that site and make it your own. But very, very simple to get your own website up. No upfront cost at all. This is zero upfront cost. That does not bill you until the end of the month. And this WordPress instance right here would be $5 for what this is. Doesn't handle a lot of traffic. Each one, you know, handles more unique situations, but this one's $5 a month, and there you have a website with an IP address. There'll be a link in the video and in the description where you can watch our full video on how to turn this IP address into a domain name through Cloudflare. That's the best in the business. So it gives you protection via Cloudflare, firewalls, and it also lets you purchase your domain at the lowest cost in the industry. You just pay the cost. You don't ever pay anything more, anything less. And there you go.